Morning, guys and gals. Froggy here. This is just a quickie video. When I find stuff that I really like, I like to share it with you guys and gals. So these are regular old floodlights that go in the ceiling in the can, right? Only they are about twice as bright as the standard ones. Standard ones are about 650. You already know that. These are about double that, and the color of the light is about in the middle. It's not the yellow. It's not the yellowish ones. It's not the blue light ones. It's kind of right in the middle, which is what I like. And I need more light in my office, so I got 4 of them. I'm going to put them in the ceiling in my office, and it'll brighten things up. Froggy's eyes need a lot of light to do stuff. The other thing I found are these rulers. They are nice steel rulers, a set of 6-inch, 12-inch, and what is that, 16-inch. It's got metric and standard on each ones. And here's what I do with those, because you always want a ruler, right? On the lip of my little desk lamp, they just fit there by themselves. It's not magnetic or anything. They'll fall off if you bump into them. But if you don't bump into them, they just stay up there. So I thought that was pretty cool to have some rulers right easy at hand. And I paid for these all. This is not free stuff that I'm posting up for you. All right? So, there you go. Just sharing. Give me a thumbs up or a like if this helps you out. Subscribe to my channel if you want more from Froggy. Be safe. Have fun. Oh, and if you do subscribe and you want notifications, click on the little bell next to subscribe and you'll get notifications when I put up new videos. Okay? Sorry, the camera didn't focus very well there. See ya. Bye-bye.